Meaning of hard cider.
Hard cider.
Hard cider.
Hard cider.
Hard cider. Hard cider is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented apple juice. To make hard cider, freshly pressed apple juice is left to ferment naturally, allowing yeast to convert the sugar in the juice into alcohol. This process results in a drink with an alcoholic content ranging from 3% to 8% ABV, and a crisp, tart flavor that is often compared to that of beer or wine. In contrast to soft or non-alcoholic cider, which is typically sweet and refreshing, hard cider is a more complex and sophisticated beverage that is enjoyed by many cider lovers around the world.